open up. What I have a question is I had a miraculous landing in a parachute. I went over the trees. I landed so quietly with my eyes closed I thought I was dead. And you said, well, Ryan, you were praying before that. You noticed you were praying. And it was a big thing for me to talk about prayer, because what I've gotten from you over the past 10 years is if you're praying from a place of lack or need, you don't get what you're asking for.
Well, here's the thing. You have a mix of vibration all the time that, let's just call it a mix of desire and belief. So if your desire is really strong, your belief has less significance in the mix. If your belief is really strong, it can outpower your desire. So it's a rare person that has a pure desire with no resistance in it. Even in the choosing of people that are coming to have a conversation with us, you've got desires and you've got beliefs, and we are taking all of that into consideration. How close are you in readiness to hear the answer to the question that you're going to present to us? Because a lot of people will say the words, but they're not in the vicinity of being able to hear what we are saying back to them, you see. And so most people do pray from a place of desperation, and that's why most people do not get immediate answers to their prayers. The best prayers to offer are prayers of appreciation. In that, there's no split energy, but it all works, and it's all right, and you're just doing the best you can and following the path of least resistance. And so let's not make any kind of big deal out of anybody trying to be in the perfect vibrational place. Just do your best to feel good, and it will all work out well for you. Yeah?
Okay, so it's just to clarify, so it's not God answering my prayers, it's my dealing with my vibration at that point.
It's you dealing with your vibration to put you in a place where that which you want to call God can answer your prayers. God is such a loaded word because it means so many different things to so many people. But there is an infinite intelligence. There is a source energy that is the culmination of all of the good that has been harvested from all of the life experience. There is a clarity and a well-being that is a powerful vibration. Now, man wants it to look different than it is, but it's a consciousness, it's a vibration that you feel. It's sort of like wanting to see love. Well, you can see demonstration of love, but you can't see love. Love is a vibration. You can see demonstration of it, but you can't see the vibration of love. It's like our favorite new question these days. We're putting it to you almost every time we get a chance to visit with you. If a tree falls in the forest and there's no one there to hear it, did it make a sound when it fell? And the answer to that question is no, because the ear is what translated the vibration into the sound. And without the ear, that translation did not occur. So the sound didn't happen. The vibration happened, but the interpretation of the vibration into the sound didn't happen. And so what we're getting at, the context here, is that which man wants to call God is a vibration that he must tune to so that he can turn that vibration to the experiences that he is looking for. Yes?
Yes. Years ago, somebody on one of your tapes quoted scripture, and he said to love God with all your mind and all your heart, and you said that's all I'm speaking about. And it was unusual for me to hear scripture being quoted to you and you responding to it, and I just wanted some clarity on that.
Well, there's a lot of vibrational accuracy in what you're calling religious-based content. We just basically said that in a whole different set of vocabulary when we said tune your frequency, tune yourself, broadcast all the time, broadcast the well-meaning, loving intentions that are you. There are lots of ways that man has tried to interpret over time his relationship with what is non-physical. And it's obvious that there is something more than what you've got going on. Just look around at what you've got going on. Just the fact that your earth spins in its orbit in perfect proximity to other planets has to let you know there's something more going on than human can accomplish. You're good, but you haven't scraped enough dirt together to launch a moon.